Double-hung windows. Austin, Texas are a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their property's aesthetic and energy efficiency. With a variety of double-hung window styles available, you can find the perfect match for your home's architecture. Double-hung window companies often offer a wide range of options to suit any budget, ensuring you get the best value for your investment. Energy-efficient double-hung windows Austin are designed to reduce energy costs while providing superior insulation. These windows are crafted with high-quality double-hung window materials Austin, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. By choosing energy-efficient double-hung windows, you can enjoy a comfortable indoor environment year-round. Custom double-hung windows Austin allow homeowners to personalize their window designs to meet specific needs and preferences. Whether you need unique double-hung window sizes Austin or specific double-hung window features Austin, custom options provide the flexibility to create the perfect solution for your home. Double-hung window specialists Austin can guide you through the customization process. Affordable double-hung windows Austin are available for those seeking cost-effective solutions without compromising on quality. Double-hung window deals. Austin and double-hung window discounts. Austin make it easier to upgrade your home with top-notch windows. Double-hung window offers Austin provide excellent opportunities to enhance your home's value and curb appeal. Double-hung window replacement Austin is a crucial service for maintaining the integrity and efficiency of your windows. Over time, windows can become worn or damaged, necessitating professional double-hung window replacement Austin. Double-hung window contractors Austin are equipped to handle replacements and installations, ensuring your windows function optimally. Double-hung window maintenance. Austin is essential for prolonging the lifespan of your windows. Regular upkeep, such as cleaning and inspecting for damage, can prevent costly replacements down the line. Double-hung window services. Austin include comprehensive maintenance plans to keep your windows in top condition. Double-hung windows Austin benefits extend beyond aesthetics, offering improved ventilation and ease of cleaning. The unique design of double-hung windows allows both sashes to move, providing better airflow and access for cleaning. Double-hung window features Austin are designed to enhance the functionality and convenience of your windows. Double-hung window upgrades. Austin can significantly enhance your home's energy efficiency and appearance. By investing in the latest double-hung window options Austin, you can enjoy modern features and improved performance. Double-hung window experts Austin can recommend the best upgrades for your specific needs. Double-hung window solutions. Austin are tailored to meet the diverse needs of homeowners in the area. Whether you're looking for new installations or replacements, double-hung window providers Austin offer comprehensive services to ensure your satisfaction. Double-hung window companies Austin are committed to delivering high-quality products and exceptional customer service. Austin double-hung window installation is a seamless process when handled by experienced professionals. Double-hung window contractors. Austin have the expertise to ensure a flawless installation, maximizing the performance and longevity of your windows. Trusting Austin double-hung window experts guarantees a hassle-free experience.